I'd rather be at the jetty with Maxi kicking back, playing crafty with that boys. What's the noise? Always jazz, being a spaz. This is what I would rather be doing. Chilling in the classroom on the Monday morning when it's freezing cold. When on the Monday, I could be in my bed, lying with Fred. I could be on the craft with Bush and Chaz, stealing all the shit cause I'm a spaz. I could be at Bing Pens, playing pool, what a fool. I could be in Penn Spa, or in his car on the way to Stumpaz or Macca's. I could be at the rocks for catching monsters with Willis just a bot. But he gives it a shot. I could be riding 20Ks for no particular reason with Luke on his bike on a Friday night. I could be with Ken temming minions all day so we can attack. There's a leech on your back. I could be with Mushy riding on his pushy to the beach. But I cannot teach the sea daddy ways. It'll take all day, but I'll do it on a weekday. So come along and play ping pong and sing this song, yeah. Monday is so shit, Tuesday and just Wednesday worse than Monday, Thursday adrenaline starts, Friday up and about, Saturday is party time, Sunday.
Oh yep, fish on. Oh, nice little brim here. Great way to start off the day. Hopefully they can get a bit bigger. Come on. So we've moved spots now because that spot around the corner where we just were got a bit windy and wasn't many bites after that brim. So now I've come around here. It's a bit sheltered, no wind, and I'm just using this little plastic here, trying to pick up anything, you know. Big flathead, trevally, brim, just anything. So, wish me luck. Don't know, something. Got something already. Yeah, I always lose fish, so I probably will. Yeah, I was using a plastic, so. Yeah, I was using soft plastic. Hopefully. Don't know. Yeah. No, not yet.
Oh, it's a stick and it's a giant trevally.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Oh, that's huge.
Oh, that's big.
Dad, a monster trevally.
Dad, come look at this. Look at that. That is a monster. Monster trevally. Big E. On just a soft plastic. That is unbelievable. We'll get him off and I'll get a pick. So I was just casting some soft plastics because we moved from the spot that we were at before because there was nothing happening. So I chucked on a soft plastic, was casting that for a bit and hooked up to this monster trevally. It's awesome. Alright guys, so I'm going to call it a day now. It's a beautiful day, no wind around here. There's wind around that corner, that's why we left there. So I finished the day with a brim and a trevally. And I'm happy with that because now we got dinner. So, and that was my first golden trevally, so thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in the next vid.